Laser welding of cell connectors is one of the key processes in battery pack production. We showcase here smart on-the-fly laser welding of cell connectors for battery cells and subsequent AI-based weld inspection. BMG offers a unique, safe and efficient machine technology for high-volume series production. A smart solution is the fully automated detection of the battery poles and cell contacting systems, followed by the calculation of the best welding position with dynamic weld length adjustment in real time.